ADHD, ADD, teenage with ADD? Are you a mom, a dad, or a grown-up who is dealing with some form of ADD? You would want to listen to this holistic insight. So I have been supporting a lot of parents, a lot of teens, college clients who are suffering a form of attention deficit. And I deeply, deeply understand how it's so hard to hone in, focus on a single point of view, have the motivation when so many things are going on at once, from hormones to relationships to work or school stressors. So that is absolutely partly the reason and the root cause. The holistic insight that I have about it that you might align with is that, especially if you're a mom or a dad who is not very sold on medicating, is that attention deficit does not need to be medicalized and pathologized all the time. Attention deficit could be a part of a spectrum of your attention depending on the amount of rest that you have, the amount of natural exposure you have versus on the screen. Attention deficit could be your remedy and a very age-appropriate way to feel they belong, especially to teenagers. It's a survival instinct to want to belong. ADD, ADHD might be your signal to lessen your screen time because this movement is not natural in the conscious, awake life. This eye movement, what you're doing with your screen, is meant for a hypnotic state. It's meant for rapid eye movement or sleep. This movement, scanning the real natural world, the natural light, is meant for the nervous system to integrate, consolidate, digest more, and be more focused and feel expansive and feel present. And so my three things to short and sweet that is, it might be a survival instinct that is normal to want to belong to that trendy diagnosis. Number two, it might be so many things that's going on, and it's okay to feel a little bit deficit because you need to build capacity to have more focus. Number three, look at the real world, lessen that screen time. More on screens. So this is gonna sound a little bit more out there, very unconventional, holistic way of viewing the eyes. Have an eye-opening experience of ADD is that the eyes, if you look at the eyes, there's a black hole literally in the middle of our eyes. So as above, so is below, right? There are black holes in the cosmos. This is our black hole. And what does black hole do? It gets and then transmute and manifest in the world what you see or take in. And so imagine that there's a torus or a torsion field. In the middle is that black hole sucking out and then transforming it to another realm, another manifestation. So when you're on the screen, you are feeding your black hole with what they want to manifest. But when you feed your black hole with what's natural, not artificial, you are gonna manifest what the source and you co-create what you want to manifest.